Hello guys! Here are my top 10 budget hotels in Bangkok, Thailand this 2024. This list is based on the following factors. Number 1, affordability. So usually 2 to 3 stars hotel ang nasa listahan. Then availability ng 24-hour front desk if patay na oras yung arrival or yung pag-check out. Then availability ng airport transfer service for convenience lalo na para sa mga hindi sanay mag-commute. Then the usual factors like distance to public transportation lalo na sa mga train stations, accessibility to landmark places, accessibility sa mga nearby convenience store like 7-Eleven, then Agoda and Klook ratings and reviews, and lastly, if recommended ng members ng DIY Travel Philippines sa Facebook. So considering yung mga factors na nabanggit, here are the top 10 budget hotels in Bangkok, Thailand. So in number 10, we have Pratunam City Inn. It is a 3-star hotel located sa Pratunam area. It has a very good rating in Agoda which is 7 out of 10. Mostly yung positive reviews is dahil maganda ang location ng hotel dahil accessible ito sa lahat ng places. However, pagdating sa Klook, meron itong below average rating na 2.9 out of 5. Mostly yung negative reviews is medyo maliit yung room at maririnig yung ingay sa hallway at sa mga kabilang kwarto. Number 9, we have Blue Tick Hotel. It is also a 3-star hotel at located din sa Pratunam area ng Bangkok. Meron din itong very good rating sa Agoda which is 7.1 out of 10. Mostly yung positive reviews is dahil maganda din ang location ng hotel, being accessible sa lahat ng places kasi literally sa Pratunam Night Market mismo located ang hotel. May good rating din ito sa Klook which is 3.3 out of 5. May few negative reviews lang regarding sa air conditioning at cleanliness ng hotel but majority pa rin naman ng reviews is positive. Number 8, we have Grand Alpine Hotel. It is also a 3-star hotel at located din sa Pratunam area ng Bangkok. Pagdating naman sa rating nila, ang Grand Alpine Hotel has a very good rating also in Agoda, which is 7.1 out of 10. Mostly yung positive reviews din nila is dahil din sa maganda ang location ng hotel dahil 3 minutes lang kung lalakarin ang Pratunam Night Market. It has also a good rating sa Klook na 3.7 out of 5. May few negative reviews lang din regarding sa comfort at facilities ng hotel but majority pa rin naman sa kanila is recommended pa rin naman ang hotel considering na sobrang mura naman yung rate nito. Number 7, we have Lemon Siam Hostel. It is also a 3-star hotel pero located naman sa Siam area ng Bangkok. Pagdating naman sa rating nila, ang hotel has a very good rating also in Agoda which is 7.6 out of 10. Mostly yung positive reviews nila is friendly yung staff at malinis yung hotel. Almost perfect naman ang rating nila sa Klook which is 4.7 out of 5. Nagustuhan ng marami ang hotel dahil fluent sa English ang mga staff, so hindi mahirap makipag-communicate if may gusto silang itanong sa kanila. Number 6, we have 4M Pratunam Hotel. It is also a 3-star hotel located ulit sa Pratunam area. So mataas ang rating ng 4M Pratunam Hotel both sa Agoda at sa Klook. Meron itong excellent rating sa Agoda na 8.5 out of 10 dahil sa location at cleanliness ng hotel. Meron naman itong 4.2 out of 5 na rating sa Klook kung saan mostly positive reviews din ang nakuha ng hotel dahil sa location at magandang customer service nila. Number 5, we have the House Pratunam. It is also a 3-star hotel at located din sa Pratunam area. Mataas din ang rating ng hotel both sa Agoda at sa Klook. Meron itong excellent rating sa Agoda na 8.5 out of 10 dahil sa location at mabilis na Wi-Fi internet connection. Meron namang 4.2 out of 5 na rating sa Klook yung hotel. At mostly positive reviews din ang nakuha dahil tahimik ang area ng hotel, kaya't mas nakaka-relax ang mga guest dito. Number 4, we have Amber Inn. It is also a 3-star hotel located din sa Pratunam area. Napakataas din ng rating ng hotel both sa Agoda at sa Klook. Meron itong excellent rating sa Agoda na 8.4 out of 10. Mostly ang reviews is medyo maliit daw ang room, pero sulit na sulit pa rin naman considering na mura lang ang rate nila. Meron itong perfect rating na 5 out of 5 sa Klook dahil super satisfied sa facilities at location ng hotel. Number 3, we have True Siam Rangnam. It is also a 3-star hotel located also sa Siam area ng Bangkok. Napakataas din ng rating ng hotel both sa Agoda at sa Klook. Meron itong excellent rating sa Agoda na 8.6 out of 10. Mostly ang positive reviews is dahil very friendly and accommodating ang mga staff ng hotel. Meron naman itong rating na 4.3 out of 5 sa Klook at mostly positive reviews din ang nakuha dahil walking distance lang ito sa BTS station. Number 2, we have Stay Hotel Bangkok. It is actually a 4-star hotel but located naman sa Ratchada area ng Bangkok. Although branded as 4-star, ang standard room rate nila is 2,000 pesos, good for 2 persons. But you can get the room at a discounted price for as low as 1,500 or even lower when you book in Agoda, Klook, and other booking sites. So again, I still consider this as budget hotel dahil almost everyday naman ay may promo offers itong sina Agoda at other booking sites. Also, mataas din ang rating ng hotel both sa Agoda at sa Klook. Meron itong excellent rating sa Agoda na 8.6 out of 10. Mostly, ang positive reviews is dahil may option ang mga guests to extend their stay until 5 p.m. without having to pay one full night price for it. Meron naman itong rating na 4.4 out of 5 sa Klook. At mostly positive reviews din ang nakuha dahil malinis naman daw ang hotel at friendly din ang mga staff. So in number 1, we have Picnic Hotel. It is also a 3-star hotel and located also sa Pratunam area ng Bangkok. So actually dito ako nagstay when I went to Bangkok last year. In my case, sa Agoda ako nagbook at ang maganda sa kanila is nagre-respond talaga sila when you chat or message them sa Agoda mobile app. Kaya naman napakataas ng rating ng hotel both sa Agoda at sa Klook. Meron itong excellent rating sa Agoda na 8.8 out of 10. Mostly ang positive reviews is dahil very friendly and accommodating ang mga staff ng hotel. Almost perfect naman ang rating ng hotel sa Klook na 4.8 out of 5. At mostly positive reviews din ang nakuha dahil napaka-accessible ng location at walking distance lang sa BTS station. Kung nakastay na kayo sa mga hotels na nabanggit natin kanina, you can comment down below your personal experiences for the benefit also of other travelers. Also, you can share din yung mga personal recommendations naman ninyong mga budget hotel na hindi nakasama sa listahan.